Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, we'll do the factory reset of the iQOO 7 device to get the latest software update very fast. So this is a question which has been asked by plenty of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. So first of all, doing this kind of factory reset is not that reliable, I would say, to get the software update, because we should not do like this. But let's see. So the only reason why I'm doing this kind of video is because I'm getting plenty of requests on this topic. As you can see friends, not only one, not only two, but I think close to 30 to 40 comments I got only asking me to do the factory reset. So if it's gonna work, then a lot of other users also will be doing this kind of factory reset on the iQOO 7 device. That is what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. In front of the camera only, I'll try to do complete factory reset of my iQOO 7 device. So in this way, we'll be able to get to know whether we'll be able to get the software updates faster or not in the iQOO 7 device. So meanwhile, you can watch this complete factory reset friends, and definitely this will take some time to get the new software update. I'll give 1 day of time for this phone. Let's see what happens next. Reset the iQOO 7 device as well. 1, 2, 3. So right now the process will be starting the iQOO 7 device, and this is my first time doing the complete factory reset of this iQOO 7 device. So I'm really interested to see how will be the results in this iQOO 7 smartphone. So meanwhile, I did do the backup of my all the images and which I have taken before, the screenshots as well, or everything, all the data I did do the backup. So don't need to worry about those. Let's see. After doing the factory reset, whether we can actually get the software update recognized fast or not. And some of the users did mention that so we need to wait for some time. So immediately we cannot get the software update after doing factory reset. We need to wait for some time to get the update. Let's see. So today is the date, I think 13th August. So let's see how long should I wait even after doing the factory reset to get the software update in the iQOO 7s. So this is a 8GB variant which I'm trying to use right now in the demonstration. And I did purchase from the Amazon website in the first sale. Yes, in the first sale only I did buy this iQOO 7 device. And let's see friends what will happen with the factory reset. And as I said, this is my first time doing the factory reset, and even I need to do the another speed test comparison with other smartphones. So mainly with the POCO X8 GT, I'll try to concentrate more side-by-side comparisons with the POCO X8 GT in terms of the speed test and the multitasking with this phone. So we'll be able to get to know after doing factory reset what happened. So overall time it took about, I think, close to 1 minute and 20 seconds of time completely took in the iQOO 7 device to factory reset. As you can see exactly, that's perfect, right? And now let me to set up everything, each and every data. So everything I'm trying to set up, I agree, and I need to agree. There is no other option for me. So instead of reading everything, all these things, and let me to connect to the Wi-Fi connection. And I think the mobile data is there already right now, but let me to connect to the Wi-Fi connection. Let's see. I'll need to immediately check the factory, software update, whether we'll be able to get this kind of software update or not. Immediately I can actually check it. So we got the message already, latest version something, but let's see. I just want to show you in front of the camera only what is happening after doing factory reset. And then what I'll try to do, I'll try to again update you in the evening. I'll try to meanwhile check every hour in this kind of phone in the iQOO 7 device whether I got any kind of software update or not. So this is going to be really very, very interesting friends, because still I don't understand. So right now iQOO 7 users, they are having 3 different security patch updates. Yes, June security patch update, and July security patch update, and August security patch update. 3 different patches at same time. So I'm not sure why they did that, because instead of giving August, they should have fixed all the July or something. I'm not sure why, but there must be some kind of issues or bugs maybe in the update. That might be the reason why it's kind of delay. But let's see, doing this kind of factory reset, will I be able to get this kind of update or not? Next, skip everything, skip. I don't want anything, no. Skip. So everything is done. As you can see, when the phone is started as a new phone, it's a fresh iQOO 7 device right now. I got it, as you can see exactly. This iQOO 7 looks, actually that's cool. First let's check the software update, what happens with the software update. And as you can see, immediately it says software version is the latest version only. So I'm not getting any kind of thing at this moment. As you can exactly see here what happens. So what I'll try to do is that I'll try to check for the today, and I'll update you maybe in the evening on this what happens with the factory reset. So let's see how much longer time it actually takes. Let me know in the comment section below friends how much time it took for some of the users who did say that it is working. So let me know in the comment section below. So this will be really helpful for me to see how much time each user is getting, even after doing the factory reset, how much time it's taking. So thank you for watching this video, friends. Again, I'll be back in the next video. In case, hopefully, we should get this update as soon as possible in the iQOO 7 device, because it's been very too long since the iQOO 7 got any kind of update, and some of the users are getting and some of the users are not getting. And it should not be like this. We should not do the factory reset to get the software update faster. I'm not sure why it's kind of like that. If there is some kind of bugs, so it should not be working even in this method as well. But I'm not sure. But let's see what happens. So again, I'll be back after a couple of maybe hours in case if it is working, hopefully. And see you in the next video, friends. And stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.